The Supreme Court of India on Tuesday declined to entertain public interest litigation seeking to ban Prime Minister Narendra Modi from elections over alleged hate speeches made during campaigning. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. The bench comprising Justices Vikram Nath and Satish Chandra Sharma stated that the court was not inclined to issue any directions to the Election Commission of India regarding this matter, according to a report by Bar and Bench. The plea was filed against speeches delivered by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur, as well as posts made on the BJP's social media handles. The apex court was hearing the petition filed by Fatima, represented by Advocate Anand S. Jondhale, which sought to disqualify Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the elections for over 6 years under the Representation of People Act. Justice Nath said, and I quote, "We are not inclined to interfere. We cannot issue such directions under Article 32, dismissed as per the reports by Bar and Bench." Meanwhile, the plea alleged that ECI has failed to take action despite serious breach of Model Code of Conduct. Let's first understand what the plea said. Despite constituting a serious breach of Model Code of Conduct, the Indian Penal Code 1860 and the Representation of People Act 1951, and significantly contributing to the deterioration of communal harmony within the nation, the Election Commission of India has failed to undertake decisive action, notwithstanding repeated efforts to notify and prompt the statutory body to obligatory responsibilities. The plea seeking 6-year poll ban on PM Modi was dismissed by Supreme Court. The Supreme Court on Tuesday refused to entertain another plea filed by petitioner Fatima seeking action against PM Modi for allegedly violating the Moral Code of Conduct by seeking votes in the name of religion. The Supreme Court said, and I quote, "Have you approached the authorities for writ of mandamus? You must approach the authorities first. Dismissed as withdrawn. We will not grant any liberty to approach. This is your job." Similarly, on Monday, Delhi High Court dismissed a plea seeking immediate action on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and another candidates contesting in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections for alleged hate speech violation of Model Code of Conduct. The plea specifically referenced a speech delivered by PM Modi on April 21st in Banswara, Rajasthan. Justice Sachin Datta in his ruling stated that I cannot micromanage Election Commission of India as to how they deal with the situation. The Election Commission of India is a constitutional body and it cannot be presumed that it will not do anything. This court finds no merit in the petition. The petition is accordingly dismissed. Advocate Nizam Pasha, representing the petitioners, argued that while the ECI has taken action against several other leaders, it has not addressed any complaint against PM Modi. On behalf of the ECI, Advocate Suruchi Suri mentioned that the BJP has recently requested more time to respond to the notice issued by the ECI, with the reply expected by May 15th. On April 25th, the Election Commission of India took note to PM Modi's remarks but served a notice to BJP's National President JP Nadda regarding Modi's infiltrator comments during a campaign speech in Banswara. The plea was filed by Shaheen Abdullah, Amitabh Pandey and Dev Mukherjee seeking directive from the Delhi High Court for the ECI to take immediate action, including filing FIRs against the political leaders delivering hate speeches. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.